kineno okarwako suit, lakini I might say that I'm the best dressed. So if you know that if you know into yourself that you're the best dressed man, hebu simama nikuone. Best dressed. Thank you. Come, kuja. Thank you. That's the energy. Kuja. Come bro. Ndio hiyo sasa. Ngoja. DJ ngoja. Wanaume. Oh, okay. Nilikuwa kwa sawa. Mwacheni apite, nilikuwa nadhani wale wanakuja. Ningejiuliza, angoma Raj ka. Yeah. So, DJ, kuna uhangalea ndege ama Manobo chachi nataka unichezee ohangla watu wa dance, and then I go and look for the best dancer right now. Dance the way you want to dance.
Lindo ega nyono boy, ega nyono. Lindo ega nyono boy, mamu ega yingo. Lindo ega yingo boy, mamu ega rundo. Lindo ega rundo boy.
Toa mkono hapo. Are we ready? Are we ready with the results? Aya. It is very simple. It is apande ama ashoke. Sawa. So thank you so much for coming. Just go. So you are the winner of the air ticket. All right. So it's clear, so that I continue with the program. Sindio? Yeah. So sir, let me hand this over to you. Wapi makofi yake? Wale ambao wanasema aende home, inua tu mkono kwa heshima, amefika mbali sana. Haya, na abaki, wenye wanasema abaki kwa mishara ya mkono. Haya, wamekataa hiyo story. So, thank you so much. This is yours. Uandike muziki hapo nini? Diary. Ndakuintroduce kwa mkubwa pale. Ukitaka kuja Nairobi show, we organize for you to come for a show. Sawa. Thank you so much. Wapi makofi ya Barmango, please. Thank you so much. And on this note,
so ladies and gentlemen, this guy is doing amazing job. Ajaribu tena kidogo. My super DJ, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, let's do this one more time. Are you ready? Any day. Aya. Ne. Tafadhali. Wege kanyo nitie jomok thi dokot ka wuoyo ka eri. Wasai. So ladies and gentlemen, we want to give this gentleman a return flight courtesy of the best local airline we have in the country right now. We call it the Green Army. That is none other than Renegade Air. Ladies and gentlemen, to present this, I want to invite the head of marketing, Fly Renegade Air, Mr. Patrick Okech, to present this to this amazing gentleman to fly. Sindio? Wapi makofi yake tafadhali. Let's appreciate Mr. Patrick. Bwana Patrick Okech, kama pibe kodiero, olongo walime, chino metonya kafinyoru, irinele mieloruba. Patrick. That's the Patrick. That's Mr. Patrick.
Beruka te kabisa. Akoroma Patrick Okech from Fly Renegade Air, Nairobi. Mande gamabiro pile Kisumu from Wilson to Kisumu. Next month beate rondege kendo Oma Bay. Angeni ntie joma Oma Bay ma kucho. Korate rondege kucho next month. Goro karkana chiko wodwani one way ticket to Kisumu. Nkechika hido kanyamia one way. Koro biro dhigiduogo. Then I will also extend another ticket for a lady. Koro aguero kamano for the great support Mari Simi. Please, let's come together to support Simi so that we can see him grow like the rest of the people.
Thank you.
Wow. So, ladies and gentlemen, giving him the return flight from Kisumu to Nairobi and Nairobi to Kisumu is Mr. Patrick Okech. Let's appreciate them, tafadhali. Asante sana.
Asante.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
May
so
God
much.
bless you.
So right now, I want to hand over that ticket to that lady who should go to Nairobi. And then I'll give you a surprise after that. Sawa? All right. So if you know you are the best dressed woman, if you know the first 5, I want you here. First 5. Imefungwa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're even 6. It is locked.
Hey!
Kuja basi. The people, the eyes.
Wakimani.
Yes, sir.
Kaluwore gi nyiri mobiro mbele ka. Gi nyiri mochung' e mbele ka. Tasebedo kadok dalawa iga ka iga to min wasiko na mana ni to dak kibiro gi ng'ato. Penjo no setama duoko igni te away. Ok adwar ni ang' wach ni ang'eny gi nyiri Kisumu to kater gi dala.
Kawona kelo. Hebu piga kwaya hapo. Piga hapo kwaya kwanza tuwa sample. Ile kwaya hivi ile msimame kama kwaya line moja wote. Stand here like this choir, a choir kind of. Yes, stand here. So, ladies and gentlemen, are we ready to start this thing again? Tukosane tena. Tuko tayari? Haya. Wana tuchague best dress.
Haya. Nataka tuanze tukiendelea, si ndio? Wangapi wanasema ni huyu? Wangapi wanasema ni huyu?
Haya.
Relax. Hold it by Super DJ. Wangapi wanasema ni hapa katikati?
Okay.
Haya, tutulie. You know why? You know what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Whatever we are doing right here is just to appreciate and uplift. Sindio?
Yes.
And what we are going to do right now is that kila mtu mwenye amekuja hapa is going to get something. Are we together? Kila mtu mwenye amekuja hapa is going to get
a gift.
We were looking for the best dress. Na tumesema ni nani? Now imade mangenya inya. Koro, gimatimore niya. Because I said some time back there, nikech nase wacho chien kacha ni Renegade Air is the best local airline we have right now in Kenya.
Yes.
Gima Renegade nyalo miyo jogi ok nya tamo gidonge.
Imagine. The best dance, the best dress, and then the best dancer. So,
yes.
Hiyo ndio nasema.
From Renegade wa Kimani, Mr. Patrick has something to say. Are you ready to listen? Are you ready to listen? This is the best news that you are all going to listen to this evening. Karibu sana.
Hey. So I will go with the majority, and we need the transparency. Courtesy of Renegade Airlines, the best dancer will get the return ticket. Well, the best dressed will get the one-way ticket to Nairobi.
Asante sana. Wapi makofi tafadhali. So, for the most dressed, ladies and gentlemen, we give it to the lady in red. Are you all ready?
Thank you so much.
Asante sana. Asante sana.
We have
now.
DJ.
Hold it. We are done with the most dressed. Sindio? We want to get the best dancer. Are you ready? Now, do we already have the best dancer? Ama wa dance tena. All right. We go with the majority. Wangapi wanasema ni huyu? Wangapi wanasema ni huyu?
All right. Sawa sawa.